Hello everyone, and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm gonna show you guys how you can fix archive stories missing or not working on Instagram. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm gonna show you. As you can see guys, I'm right now on Instagram and this is how the homepage looks like. So right here in the bottom, you're gonna find all of the sections. You're gonna find the home section, search, reels, and lastly right here, you're gonna find your profile page. So basically guys, right now, in order to go to the archive, we're going to click on the icon in the top right corner. And then here, you're going to find your archive. So basically guys, if you have some missing or not working archive stories on Instagram, first of all, go ahead and go back right here to this page and then scroll all the way down until you find the option to log out. So go ahead and log out from your account on Instagram and then try to log in again. This might be just enough to fix your problem. If you log in again and still having this problem, then go ahead and try to clear your cache. In order to do that, we're going to go to the settings. And then once you're here in the settings, scroll down until you find apps or applications. And then once you're here, search in this list for Instagram. And then once you find Instagram, go ahead and click on it. And then scroll down until you find storage. Once you find storage, go ahead and click on it. And then here in the bottom, as you can see, guys, you're going to find two options: clear data and also clear cache. Go ahead and click on clear cache and then go back to Instagram. And then your problem should be fixed. So this is it guys for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and see you guys in the next video.